Today we're going to take a closer look at the tow and stow receiver hitch from B&W Trailer Products. Now if you're like most truck owners, you have a truck for a few different reasons, but mainly to haul stuff and to tow stuff. And if you're doing a lot of towing, you'll know that you're going to need to change ball sizes and ball height depending on what you're towing. Well, now the tow and stow makes that really easy. They offer a dual ball version and a triple ball version. The dual ball version, this one here, is a 2-inch on one side and a 2 5/16 on the other. They also offer that smaller dual ball style that's 1 7/8 and 2-inch. And then they have that triple ball, and that's got all 3 of those common ball sizes. Then for your ball height adjustment, they have a drop hitch available from a 3-inch all the way down to a 9-inch, and it's adjustable in between to get that perfect ball height. For your receiver sizes, they've got all 3 of those common sizes, that smaller 2-inch, that super common 2.5, and that Mondo 3-inch receiver size. Now these are built right here in the USA, and they feature a UV resistant black powder coating. Now B&W also offers a chrome plated model for those of you who need a little more bling at the back of your truck. Now these have an anti-theft design, and B&W offers these with a pintle hitch option for those of you who need that capability. And then one of the things we really like about the tow and stow is this comes with a lifetime warranty. Now of course it's going to slide in like any other receiver, and you do have dual pin holes so you can adjust your stick out. And we're going to use a B&W locking hitch pin just to give it a little more security. Now to change our ball diameter, all we have to do is pull our clip, pull the pin, and the ball will spin right around. To change our ball height, then we're going to pull our clips on the back pins and pull our pins, adjust to the ball height we need. Fast and simple. Now we're done towing. This is where the stow part comes in. Pull the outer clip and the outer pin, and now we can rotate our ball to the flat position. Pull our inner clips, our inner pins, and then it's going to drop right down around the back side. Now no more banged shins. So are you ready to up your receiver game? Well, check out the tow and stow by B&W Trailer Products. We've got them here. Oh, hey Olive, and she's telling you that you can find the link down in the description box below. Thanks for watching today. We'll see you again soon.